Hello my friends, today we will talk about LEATHERMAN Super Tool and we'll compare it with some other multi-tools. This one have a couple subversion. One is very military subversion, but it have a removable, so this one have built-in and you should use exactly it. I used it for wood. I will show you it during our review. So at first I want to say that it's not little, even small. For example, we will compare with LEATHERMAN Charge TTI Plus. This one is really bigger, little heavier. Next one, what we will compare, it's Victorinox SWISSTOOL, and probably this one I made review of it. It's Roxxon. This one are bigger, almost each one. Next, what I want to say, no one tool are available when it is closed. About this tool, just check how they are really powerful, how much metal we have here and here, and just compare what we have in case of Charge TTI. Really not really thinking. Next one is this one, like pitting. Here we have some materials on there and no pitting. About tools, what we have here, at least all of them work with this lockout, and they cannot damage your fingers. This really big and powerful lock as all what we have here. So let's see how it works. All these tools I will show you it, and then we will see it in compare with other. So let's start test with pillows, cable and nails. It can be without any difficulty. So next one is shredders without bit extender, only with built-in. Not very comfortable, but it can be. Those two of them I put in wood and get from wood, I think about a couple times at least, maybe even more. You see only one bit in this multi-tool, but it's most popular bit. Next one, let's see, serrated blade. It's also not perfect. You see, for one move, what I mean not perfect, cause work in place on blade as serrated as this plain blade is only 30% of all it. But it work. It really shaped from box. Let's go to next. What to show you? Let it be wood. Let's try to use saw with wood and get what? Not very comfortable in this case, because I shoot video. I don't have a comfortable position for working, but at the same time I can do it even with multi-tool, not full size saw. It's also really important. And I trying to do it with clear. So for my opinion, it's little big and heavy as it should be. But it's I think 25 years warranty from LEATHERMAN. It's only half of lifetime of this one multi-tool. It's easy. It's I think it would be really difficult to break it for any tools. As a payment for it, we have a little simple function, not bit driver, not something like it. What we have in case, for example, with charge TTI plus, and little simple function. I think for city using it should be little more function in multi-tool. I think we can compare this one as outdoor multi-tool for fishing, for maybe hunting, for something outdoor activities. This one smaller, light, with for example bead for glasses. For all tools are available from when it's not open. It's better for city using, and that's all. I think each one of you can get it off in choice and choose what he need for his using. That's all. In description would be link for place where you can buy this one model, and also would be link for my text review with links inside for each one of these multi-tools. So thank you for watching, like, subscribe, bye bye.